Dehydration can sneak up on you, affecting your energy and focus. Staying hydrated is essential for your body to function at its best. The first rule is simple: don't wait until you're thirsty to drink. Sip water consistently throughout the day to keep your levels steady. You can also eat your water. Incorporating hydrating foods like cucumbers, watermelon, and citrus fruits into your diet makes a big difference. Remember to adjust your intake based on your activity level and the weather. If you're exercising or in the heat, you need even more fluids. Be mindful of drinks that can actually dehydrate you, like excessive caffeine or alcohol. Balance them out with extra water. Make it easy on yourself by carrying a reusable water bottle everywhere you go. It serves as a constant visual reminder to stay hydrated. Watch out for signs like fatigue or dizziness. These are your body's ways of telling you it's time to refuel with fluids. Staying hydrated is a small habit with huge benefits for your health. Start today and feel the difference. Stay healthy and stay hydrated.